Feeling inspired by these cozy outdoor fall setups? Like and share this video with friends ready to embrace the season. 2. Comment. Which outdoor element is your favorite? Pumpkin displays, hay bales, or twinkling lights? Tell us your pick in the comments. 3. Subscribe. For more seasonal decorating ideas and outdoor inspiration, subscribe now and keep your home looking beautiful year-round. Color is often the first thing people notice about a space, and in fall, nature gives us an endless palette to draw inspiration from. The rich, warm colors of the season, deep reds, golden yellows, burnt oranges, muted greens, and soft browns, can be used to infuse life and depth into any outdoor area. One way to start is by observing what colors are already present in your natural surroundings. If your yard is full of golden-leaved maples, consider complementing them with accents of dark cranberry or earthy olive tones to provide contrast without overpowering the existing beauty. If your space is more muted or modern, you might embrace an understated palette of creams, grays, and soft copper, letting the subtler colors of autumn take center stage. You can weave color into your decor through fabric accents like cushions or blankets, but also through more structural elements like painted furniture, pots, or even the walls of a garden shed. For those who prefer a dramatic touch, layering multiple warm tones can create a dynamic, festive feel that matches the intensity of autumn's natural display. On the other hand, for a more calming effect, pairing one or two seasonal shades with neutral grays, whites, or blacks can ground the space and make it feel serene. Color doesn't just change how your space looks, it changes how it feels. Rich tones can make even the largest garden feel cozy and intimate, while lighter hues can keep a small porch feeling airy yet seasonal. Ultimately, thinking about color as more than decoration, as mood, as energy, helps you shape your outdoor space into one that truly reflects the season. Feeling inspired by these cozy outdoor fall setups? Like and share this video with friends ready to embrace the season. If color sets the emotional tone, texture builds the sensory experience. Fall is a season of contrasts, the softness of fallen leaves underfoot, the rough bark of bare branches, the smoothness of polished stones, the nubbly warmth of wool. Translating these tactile qualities into your outdoor decor creates a space that feels not only visually inviting but also physically comforting. Start by thinking about the surfaces and materials that define your space. A weathered wood deck or brick patio already has its own texture, which you can complement with softer layers. Woven rugs or mats in natural fibers like jute or sisal bring a rustic charm and anchor seating areas. Throw blankets in chunky knits, soft fleece, or plaid flannel draped over chairs instantly make them more welcoming. Cushions in varied fabrics, velvet, linen, or tweed add another dimension. You can also play with textures in your larger decor elements. Stacked firewood doubles as a natural sculpture, combining the roughness of bark with the geometric neatness of the pile. Baskets made of wicker or seagrass can hold everything from extra blankets to seasonal produce. Planters in terracotta, galvanized metal, or rough stone bring variety and substance to even the simplest arrangements. For an outdoor dining or gathering space, texture can even come from table settings, layered linens, wooden chargers, hand-thrown ceramic mugs, and glass lanterns create a table that looks and feels as cozy as it is beautiful. The more textures you bring in, the more depth your space will have, evoking the richness of autumn itself. Which outdoor element is your favorite? Pumpkin displays, hay bales, or twinkling lights? Tell us your pick in the comments. While color and texture shape how a space looks and feels up close, atmosphere is about the overall experience, what it feels like to be there. The atmosphere you create can turn an ordinary porch or patio into a retreat, somewhere you actually want to spend time despite the chill in the air. One of the easiest ways to shape atmosphere outdoors is through lighting. Fall evenings arrive earlier, and the sun sets lower in the sky, creating a beautiful golden light that you can enhance and extend. Soft white or warm-toned string lights draped along railings or fences lend a magical glow to the whole area. Lanterns with flickering candles, real or battery-operated, cast gentle pools of light that feel both romantic and welcoming. You can even place spotlights to illuminate your favorite trees, bushes, or pathways, creating layers of shadow and light. Sound and scent are subtler, but just as important. The gentle crackle of a fire pit or chimney adds warmth and ambience, as does the faint scent of wood smoke curling through the air. Wind chimes can add a delicate musical backdrop when the breeze stirs them. Seasonal scents, cinnamon, cedar, dried herbs, can come from nearby plants, decorative arrangements, or even simmering pots set out during gatherings. And of course, the layout of your space influences how people interact with it. Arranging seating to face each other encourages conversation, adding throw blankets to every chair invites guests to settle in. Even leaving a few open spaces for standing or meandering can make the area feel more relaxed and dynamic. All these choices contribute to an atmosphere that feels thoughtful, welcoming, and alive. For more seasonal decorating ideas and outdoor inspiration, subscribe now and keep your home looking beautiful year-round. At its heart, fall decor is about celebrating the rhythms of nature, acknowledging the beauty of change, of things fading and falling, and of quiet abundance. Letting nature guide your outdoor design keeps your space feeling authentic and harmonious. You can start by incorporating what's already around you. Instead of sweeping away every fallen leaf, consider leaving some scattered along pathways or collecting them into loose, intentional piles. Bare branches can be arranged in tall vases or even left standing in the garden as natural sculptures. Seasonal plants like ornamental grasses, mums, or late-blooming flowers add life and color even as the rest of the garden begins to fade. Use materials that feel natural and rooted in the earth, wood, stone, clay, and dried botanicals to echo the environment. You can also arrange your decor to reflect the organic patterns of the season, clusters of objects rather than straight lines, asymmetry rather than perfect symmetry, and a general looseness that suggests spontaneity rather than precision. Decorating outdoors for fall is about more than just appearance, it's about connection. It's about feeling the cool breeze on your face while wrapped in a soft blanket. It's about watching the golden light filter through the trees as you sip something warm. It's about slowing down and noticing the details, the texture of bark, the scent of the earth, the way the air feels different each day. When you decorate with intention, thinking about color, texture, atmosphere, and nature, you create spaces that don't just look good, but feel right. These outdoor settings become more than backdrops, they become stages for little rituals of the season, conversations on the porch, quiet moments by the fire, and celebrations of harvest and change. Autumn is fleeting, and that's part of what makes it so special. By embracing its beauty outdoors, you allow yourself to fully experience this time of year, to mark the turning of the seasons in a way that feels both personal and timeless. Your outdoor space becomes a living testament to autumn's warmth, richness, and grace, a place where memories can be made and cherished, even as the leaves continue to fall.